In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through a complete Wix landing page tutorial, showing you exactly how to create a professional landing page using Wix Studio, even if you're a total beginner. Landing pages are perfect for promotions, lead generation, and simple one-page websites, and Wix makes the whole process incredibly easy. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more website and software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Wix Studio by visiting wix.com and logging into your Wix account. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free in just a couple of minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage all of your sites, domains, and design projects. Next, from the dashboard, look for the option that says Create Site and click on it. This tells Wix that you want to start building a brand new website. Wix will now guide you through a few setup options to help you choose the right type of site for your needs. After that, choose the option for Wix Studio templates. Wix Studio gives you more flexibility and modern layouts compared to the basic editor. Once you're inside the template selection screen, scroll through the available options and select Landing Page. These templates are designed specifically for one-page websites that focus on a single goal, like collecting leads or promoting a service. Now, browse through the landing page templates and pick one that matches your style or business. Don't worry too much about colors or images at this stage because everything can be customized later. When you find a template you like, click on Edit. This will open the Wix editor with your selected landing page template loaded. Once the editor opens, this is where the real customization begins. You can click on any text to change headlines, descriptions, and call to action buttons. Replace the placeholder content with your own text so it clearly explains what your landing page is about. You can also swap out images by clicking on them and uploading your own photos or selecting from Wix's media library. From here, you can adjust layouts, colors, and fonts to match your brand. If you want to add new sections, buttons, or forms, just use the Add panel inside the editor. Forms are especially important for landing pages because they allow visitors to submit their email or contact details. Take a few minutes to preview your landing page on both desktop and mobile view. Wix automatically optimizes for mobile, but it's always a good idea to double-check spacing and text size. Make any final adjustments until you're happy with how everything looks. When you're done editing, click the Publish button in the top right corner. Wix will publish your landing page and give you a live URL that you can start sharing immediately. And just like that, your Wix landing page is live and ready to use. That's it for this Wix landing page tutorial. You've successfully created and published a landing page using Wix Studio. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.